Today was a very lovely day. Kambe kahle konke, and I thank God more than anything. First and foremost, I thank God because the nerves, the stress that I had this morning, even weather, because of the God that we pray to. So first and foremost, I'd like to thank God, and then I'd like to thank my parents for the support. I would not have been able to do all of this if it wasn't for Uma no Baba. And I thank my whole family, and then I also thank Umdeni wakashabalala. All I can say is wow. Wow, I am so happy, I'm so pleased. So much love that they showed us, so much love that I felt because of Bona. And then last but not least, I'd like to thank my husband for loving me, for always supporting me, for always being there for me, for always being the calm to my storm, for always being my center, my ground. My love, I love you so much. I appreciate you so much. I thank God for you every single day, and I will continue to love you and respect you and be the wife that you can be proud of. Thank you.
uSimtholile wakashabalala okhulumayo umshengishabalala tonga lamavusi sidwabe silithule esithi ngabangcwaba selinomndandakazi abokuqala abalwela ubombo ngokuhlehletela. Ngicela ukubonga umndeni wakamhayise noZwide abakanxumalo ngokungipha unkosikazi. Ngicela ukubonga amaswazi for the support and for the love through and through. Angicabanga ukuthi uba nekuthiwa lolusuku lube impumelelo ngokwazi kwami, but kube impumelelo ngokungiseka kwabo. Most of all, I would like to say thank you to my beautiful wife for always standing next to me and always willing to encourage me. Kukho konke ngiyabonga, and I think that's all I need to say right now because amagama now, but all to say is ngiyabonga for support engiphiwe namhlanje.
Mina ngubaba umfundisi uHlatshwayo, ubaba kaNomangwane Hlatshwayo. Kulolu suku lwanamhlanje kade kufike abakwashabalala umkhwenyana kaNomangwane bezokwembesa bonke omama bakwaHlatshwayo. Sithokozile kakhulu ukuba khona kwabo. Sibonga wonke umuntu obeyingxenye yalomcimbi. Sibonga umndeni waHlatshwayo, sibonga umndeni wakwashabalala, sibonga ukubambisana kuyimndeni yomibili. Esikufisayo nesikulangazelelayo ukuthi kungagcini la. Njengoba sebeqalile kuphumeleleke, kusebenzeke kuze kufikelele la bezobe beshada khona. Siyazi uNkulunkulu uyathwalana, uzosithwala, uzosipha amandla, sizophumelela, sizowenza umshado, uzofika. Nje kukho konke esingakusho-ke kubantwana bethu ukuthi ukuhloniphana, ukulalelana, nokubambisana kwenza imisebenzi emihle, kwenza ukuthi yonke into enihlelayo iphumelele. Yingakho-ke namhlanje lolu suku liye laba lusuku oluhle kangaka nosuku oluyimpumelelo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. uNkulunkulu anibusise.
Ngiwumama Hlatshwayo, umama kaNomangwane Hlatshwayo. Namhlanje ke bekuwusuku lwabo lapho bebeqhubeka khona nohambo lwabo beya esiphethweni. Siyambonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu ngohambo lwabo. Kuyisifiso ke singaphakathi kimi ukuthi uNkulunkulu azabalekelele endleleni, abalekelele ngothando, ukuzwana nokuphathana kahle nje. Into yabo ke siyambonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu ngayo. And-ke njengabazali sikhuluma nje isibusiso phezu kwempilo zabo and the blessing kwijourney yabo. Siyabonga kakhulu ke kubo bonke abafikile baba nathi kulolu suku kusukela emndenini, umndeni wakwaHlatshwayo, umndeni wakashabalala, nabo bonke abasondelene nalo mndeni. Singeke ke siwulibala umndeni wakwaNxumalo all the way from eThekwini. Siyabonga kakhulu. Kukhona konke ke siyabonga nje umndeni wase Rock of Victory, siyabonga kakhulu. Sibongela abantwana konke okuhle endleleni yabo.
Okay, igama lami uSimtholile uHlatshwayo. I'm the big sister. Nkosazane kaHlatshwayo. To Nomangwane and Simtho. It's been a wonderful journey watching you guys grow together, and I pray to God that you guys have many, many, many more years together. And I want you guys to grow like angazi nize nibe ugogo nomkhulu together. I want God to bless you with so much love for each other, so much love for your kids, so much love for your family. Yeah, you've been a blessing to me, and also my sister. You've been a best friend, a buddy, a homie, everything that a girl could ask for. And Simtho for stealing my best friend, but it's okay because you paid, so I forgive you. And mostly I wish you all the best for the future and all the love and joy. Thank you.